CBSE Biology Class 10 Chapter 9 Heredity and Evolution Part 2b. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color. What do you know about the inbuilt tendency to variation during reproduction? We have noted that there is an inbuilt tendency to variation during reproduction, both because of errors in DNA copying and as a result of sexual reproduction. To understand alterations of DNA copying, chiasmata is the point where two homologous non-sister chromatids exchange genetic material, whereas crossing over is the process of mutual exchange of segments of non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes during the process of meiosis, forming the gametes. Give a simple example of the influence of natural selection. Let us consider an example which is about green and red colored beetles. The more crows there are, the more red beetles would be eaten, and the more the proportion of green beetles in the population would be. Thus, natural selection is directing evolution in the beetle population. It results in adaptations in the beetle population to fit their environment better. Did color change give survival advantage to the beetles? In the first case, the variation became common because it gave a survival advantage. In other words, it was naturally selected. We can see that the natural selection is exerted by the crows, whereas in the second situation, the color change gave no survival advantage. Instead, it was simply a matter of accidental survival of beetles of one color that changed the common characteristic of the resultant population. The more crows there are, the more red beetles would be eaten, and the more the proportion of green beetles would remain in population. Out of the three situations, why the third one was not about evolution? In the third situation, as the beetle population begins to expand, the bushes start suffering from a plant disease. The amount of leaf material for the beetles is reduced. The beetles are poorly nourished as a result. The average weight of the adult beetles decreases from what it used to be when leaves were plentiful, but there is no genetic change occurring. Thus, the third one was not about evolution. Do the tailless mice have tailless progeny? The answer is no, and it makes sense because removal of the tail cannot change the genes of the germ cells of the mice. Who came up with the idea of evolution of species by natural selection? Why he could not work out the mechanism? Charles Darwin came up with the idea of evolution of species by natural selection in the 19th century, but he could not work out the exact mechanism. The ideas of heredity and genetics are essential for understanding evolution. It is ironic that he could have done so if he had seen the significance of the experiments his Austrian contemporary Gregor Mendel was doing. But then Mendel too did not notice Darwin's work as relevant to his. Mendel's experiments give us the mechanism for the inheritance of traits from one generation to the next. What is speciation? Speciation is the process that explains how new species come into existence. It can be said to have happened only if the group of beetles we have studied in 3 cases splits into 2 populations that cannot reproduce with each other. Then the 2 populations will become 2 different species. What is gene flow? Explain the same. In our beetle example, if there is an occasional adventurous beetle that might go from one side to another side of that area, or a beetle is picked up by a crow from one side and dropped in the other side without being eaten, in either case, the migrant beetle will reproduce with the local subpopulation. This will result in the genes of the migrant beetle entering a new subpopulation. This is called gene flow among different populations. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email given below. The questions, answers of this chapter, how do organisms reproduce, will be continued in the next video.